Welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a squishy collection video. So let's just get started into the video. I'm not even gonna pause it because I'm too lazy to. So this is my squishy box. I already filmed the video, but then it got deleted, so I'm gonna film it again. But so it's half empty. But yeah. So basically every squishy owns on my bed. But I'm just gonna pick one out from my bed randomly and tell you what it is. That is my light bulb, and it looks like a smiling sun. But anyways, let's just get on to the video. First squishy I'm gonna pick up my eye. This one, of course, is this one. I'm just gonna pick the rest of the series. It's over much more faster. So this is a barbecue chip. It's in a plastic bag and foam. The foam is popping out. When I say foam, I mean this, like pillow stuffing. And this is a jumbo barbecue chip. And then we have this normal Lay's chip. And this sour cream and a chip. Next we have this. We produced, I'm pretty sure, iBloom. Tell me down below if I'm wrong or right. I don't know. But this is, I feel like, a reproduced iBloom croissant. Here is the licensing. It's really defected. I bought it like this. I wasn't even paying attention to like the defect pieces. This was $10. So like, I got it in the mail like this. But I don't even know. It's fine to me. It's not fine. And it smells like yogurt, so that's great. Next one, let's just push these back. Okay, so this is what I got from my friend. It's a pink strawberry roll. And it is, I got it from my friend for my birthday. And half is about my own money, and half is I got for Christmas or from my friends or something like that. It's not got from my friends, my birthday. And next, I just get the same pink one, and then I have a small one, which I got from my mom. I think they're selling at Walgreens. There is a licensing that says China. I know I'm gonna have so much people saying things in the comments. That black thing says China. So next thing we have, open it so we have this. So perfectly both the same thing. So we have God, Lord and Savior. Oh my God, I'm so tired right now. I'm so sorry. I'm delusional. So we have this hot one. This hot one fell and then it bounced off my table to my pillow to go back to me. So we have this hot one, which is a magnet, and its skin fell off. And my mom bought this because she wanted to put it on the fridge, and then it broke, and she just gave it to me. And then with me, the skin fell off because all the squishies that were around it peeled it off. Because like they were pushing against it. And then we have this bread, which I got in a package that my mom got me, like an extra type thing, and the face peeled off. So next we have fruit collection, fruit. I picked up this one, I'm pretty sure. So, and I have this orange paper squishy I made, my favorite ones right here. It looks better on camera than it does in real life, but that's great. Then we have this watermelon foam squishy that I made. You could clearly tell. And then we have this watermelon paper squishy. This was made with garbage bag and duct tape and paper and clear tape. And this is made with garbage bag. Febreze garbage bag, so it smells good. Make it squish it. There's a hole in it. Next one paper pillow collection, which we have the Nick pillow. Oh, and the pillow collection, the natural collection, and the chip collection were inspired by Kayla Koi Squishies. I'll put her channel down in the description below. I am a subscriber of hers, and I really like her videos. She makes really good content, and yeah. So here is the first pillow I don't really like. These are designs. Some of the designs I copied her by, and some of the designs I copied myself, my head by, and this was my head. It didn't look really pretty thing, but I like the face. And then we have the neck pillow, which the design is mine, but the inspiration was hers. And then this one is from one copied by her. These are all made with paper bag. Next we have, let's just do the natural series because I just told you about it. And there was a lot more, but I don't know where. But here is the nacho cheese. There's a piece of hair stuck to it. I don't know if you could see it. Oh, there's a piece of hair. Look, the hair is stuck to everything. Oh my gosh. And there's hair in this squishy. But then we have this guacamole and this unicorn. My favorite one, the unicorn. So yeah. Next we have this one. Oh, okay. So this one I got for Christmas in a Shopkins blind bag from my dad. I pushed it together. It's a French fry. So, next we have. Oh, this one is a reproduced I Bloom bear. And my sister whipped up the face, whipped up the ears, and ripped off the neck. But it's so surprising. And my mom bought this for me. I love this one so much. And I had the packaging, but I lost it. Because I was playing with it, and then I went to take the packaging, and then it went somewhere. And then when Mom was cleaning my room, she threw out the packaging, so the packaging probably fell underneath my bed. I couldn't find it. So my mom probably cleaned my bed, and she found it, and she threw it out. Good. So the last one here really is, well, there's more, but this is the last one for my bed. I showed on camera, which I have 36 squishies. I did a count. So I have this panda bun, this jumbo panda bun that I got in a package that my mom bought me, and it's really dirty from me. I did not get it dirty. I got it really white and nice. And the ice peeling off, I drew a tongue on it because I really wanted the one that had a tongue, but I didn't really. It wasn't cute, but I wanted it, but it wasn't cute. But this one that had the pink bow, I really liked. But even though my favorite color is purple, favorite color is aqua, purple, light pink. Well, not really like purple, like violet, and rose gold. It's not really a color, but I like maroon too. I don't know. That's what it looks like. And let's go inside the box and pick out at random, like we did with the ones that were on the bed. Okay, so this one I got from my mom again. Well, I really got them from my mom. That I bought it for my sister, and then my sister gave it to me. It's this unicorn squishy that my sister kept whipping by accident, and it's not really that slow or anything. Okay, this is like the reproduced, I'm pretty sure, because there's no labeling on it. Next one is, I picked out super good. So this one I got from my mom in a package. So a bunch of these came in packages, but yeah, I have this little, like, like, you know, like the mini squishies at like $1 from Amazon. That's what the rest of these probably are. That my mom got me for my dad and my mom got me for Christmas. And I'll tell you what they got me for Christmas and my birthday. So I'll tell you who got me. So my mom got me this for Christmas. It's a little bear. I love bears on Christmas. I don't know why, but like they just bring it out. And cinnamon. And for some reason, ginger. I love ginger on Christmas. Like I hate ginger and like onions. I hate onions. I hate onions. I hate avocado. What is this getting into? But anyway, the next one is this one. Ooh, that has a tag on it. This is one that I got. This little cracker. This one I got from my dad. You could tell it isn't very thin, but I like it. Why am I whispering? Next one we got, I bought this one with my own money. This is a Very Slow Rising Fall. It's like a sea ball that has starfishes and turtles. Next we have this one. I will take on both of them. I have a Sweet Treats collection. So this is the peach cake, which it's dark at the back and it gets lighter and lighter and lighter. Then we have the leaves, which I think is my favorite one so far. Let me show it to you. The leaves are nice. The face is nice. It's just beautiful. Yeah, and the white stuff's the cream. And then we have this one, which is really bad. It's a marshmallow, and I made it with a plastic bag and cotton balls. I should have just put the cotton balls in the plastic bag, but yeah. I actually have they're both panda buns. So I got one from my mom and one from my dad. So my mom got me this little baby panda bun. And then my dad got me this medium panda bun. That's the yellow, and we didn't know, but it has a big gaping hole in it. But super nice. And I got this one from my dad on my birthday. I got these both on my birthday. Next we have this one, which is a panda donut. How is it 3 minutes already? 13 minutes. We have this panda donut. I just looked at it. It was 11 minutes. Now it's 13. Okay. Let's speed it up. We have this one, which is a panda, penguin donuts. And I got this at Walgreens with my own money. Next we have a couple more. I'm just gonna take them all out. So I got this dumpling from my friend. We got this paw print from my friend. We got this one from my friend. I don't know what this is. Like a something. I don't even know. And then we have this cat brand from my friend. Wondering, these are all from the same friend. But yeah, that's all my squishies. And, oh no, there's one more. We have this little green pig from my best friend. My best friend from, I got those for my birthday. And I got this one just randomly in a day of a week. I don't know why, but she just gave it to me. She's like, do you like squishies? You know I do. She's like, take it. I'm like, okay. I'm gonna put all of it back and I'll be right back. Okay, so thank you guys for watching my video. This is an end result. It's just the box I keep all my squishies in. But yeah, I put everything back in here. And this is what looks like when it's opened. It's all jammed. Don't worry, nothing fell out. I have to close it back. yeah. So I will be. That's really embarrassing, but thank you for watching, and yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.